Hello and welcome back to my channel Eat, Live and Love. So if you are a bookworm, then you may know that there is a whole section in YouTube which is dedicated to reading and discussing books, and this separate section is known as BookTube. Now, since I am a bookworm and I have been reading books since my childhood, I also have made a video which I'll be linking somewhere here, where I have talked about how you can develop reading habits. And since I am a bookworm, I have been subscribing to some of these channels, and I think these are pretty good, and I thought that I will be making a separate video for these channels because these are very useful and they discuss and they are dedicated to what kind of books that you may read, and reviews and recommendations. I have myself followed few of them at least for a year, and I am subscribed to these channels because I get to know so much more about books and get to know the reviews and get to make up my mind which one to read next. And so I thought that these channels may also be useful for many of you who are vivid book readers like me. BookTube is an unofficial corner where the YouTubers read an astounding numbers of books and then they make videos on them. BookTube is changing the way the internet users interact with books. The loose community of reviewers, writers, readers operates like a very casual but a very enthusiastic book club, and you can explore what new kinds of books are there in the market, or you may also know more about the books that you love, or you may know more about the authors that you love. And how I am benefited from these channels are that if I love an author, I want to know more about those authors and I want to know more about the books that they have written. And there are so many BookTube channels now that I get to know so much information from them. It has made a lot more easier for me to decide which one to read next. And also, I have seen that these channels also review very authentically, and they suggest you so many options from which you can choose one and then read one. There are also some other sections which are of course related to books and that they explore. And I love the fact that there are so many YouTubers out there who talk about books so enthusiastically and with so much of passion. The way that they engage with the audience and the way that they talk about the books and the authors and the other related topics, I love watching those channels. And so I have few booktubers who are favorites of mine, and I thought that I'll be sharing those channels with you. Do check them out because I am literally following them for many months, if not years, but they are my favorites. I'll be talking more about them, so let's get started. My first favorite booktuber has to be Helly. Now, Helly is a YouTuber who has been working as a YouTuber for years, and her videos are so informative that I look forward to her videos. And she is a kind of inspiration for me because she reviews loads of books. She is so full of knowledge and she reads so many kinds of books that she recommends the best ones, and I personally follow her because of that. Her videos are full of information that not a single second will be wasted if you watch her videos. Also, apart from book reviewing, she also makes some motivational videos which I like, and the videos that she makes are so full of energy and positivity. And what I like the most about her video is that she has videos for everyone. It is not like you have to be pro at reading books and then only you will be able to understand what she is saying. She has recommendations for people who are beginners to recommendations for people who are reading books for a long time. So she has been making these videos which helps all kinds of people. And how she describes and reviews and talks in her videos is a way which I have been inspired from. And I feel that you all should follow her channel because you will get to know something from her videos. Thus, she's one of my favorite booktubers. I'll be linking her channel link below in the description box, so please check that out. And yeah, the second channel which I'll be recommending to you all is known as Chapter Stacks. So here's a YouTube channel made for expanding your horizons a little more. So Katie's channel is all about book reviewing. She reviews a lot of books. Katie's channel is mostly reading for fun, but also you will learn something. So you will find some non-fiction, some fiction, some psychological thrillers, some horror book reviews. She's a little obsessed with psychological and horror book review, but she has a wide range of topics that she does videos on. Like she does book tags and book recommendations, book reviewing, certain classic book reviewings, and she's very inspiring. She's one of my favorite booktubers for sure. The third channel which I watch is known as Storytime at Oni's House. Now, this is a channel for kids, but the narrator Oni, she is so good that I, though not a kid, I'm attracted to her channel and I watch all her videos because she reads these well-known children books every day in her videos, and the way she narrates and the pictures that she puts up when she's narrating the stories is so attractive and it's so interesting that you will be attracted to her channel for sure. And I love to watch her videos because she makes the whole thing so interesting that not only the children but also the adults will get attracted to her videos. What she does is that in each video of hers, she reads some well-known children's books and displays some pictures and some texts on the screen while she reads them in the background, and that makes the whole visual effect a treat. And that's what I think attracts most of her subscribers, because what happens to me is that whenever I watch her videos, it releases a lot of stress and I feel so good from inside and I feel so relieved, and I love watching these videos. And we all know that children are attracted to screen and parents generally give them a particular amount of screen time from a very childhood nowadays. So I think that this channel is very appropriate for kids because they can get their screen time, as well as that screen time does not get wasted because they are actually learning something through that video that they are watching. So this is one of the best channel for kids. It will make them learn something, also it will be attractive to them because they are watching something on the screen, so that will count as a screen time. And that is why I recommend this channel to all of you, because if you have a kid or if you love to watch kids videos just like I do, then you can connect with me and you can also make your child watch this particular channel because her videos are very attractive and I'm sure that your child will get glued to her videos. The fourth booktuber is known as Katie Tastic. Now Katie makes a whole range of videos on books, and she makes videos on book reviews, tags, then she also makes some book hauls and book lists and recommends a load of books that you can read. And what I like about her channel is that she is very authentic and she is 100% herself when she is talking to her subscribers or followers. And right now she is one of the biggest booktubers out there. She has over 2.5 lakh subscribers. You will find a relatively large variety of genre in her videos. but she leans towards fantasy a little more because I think she loves that genre the most. And I love to watch her videos, and the way she presents herself is something which is very unique because she is 100% herself, and she is so authentic, and she does so many varieties of videos that you will never get bored. She is one of my favorite YouTubers. You have to check her out. The fifth channel that I follow is known as Rinsey Reads. Now, if you want to read a variety of books from a single author, or if you want to read books from a variety of authors, then Rinsey's channel is the one for you. She is so straightforward, and her videos are simple, straightforward, and to the point. Most unique thing about her video is that every single video of hers has closed captions. So if you know someone who is deaf or who has heard of hearing, then they can read the captions and it will not be a problem for them. Also, if English is not your first language or second language and you have a little difficulty in understanding English, then also there is no problem because there are captions written down in her videos which will help you to understand what she is trying to convey. When it comes to staying on top of the monthly reading list, then Rinsey tops all of them. I follow her because of this, because she is so up to date and she knows which kind of books have come to the market in the recent days, and you will get to know about the books that have been published and books that have been selling as the best selling books, and the authors. You know everything from her channel, and she always know about the newest and the best books, and she will convey that to you. And she is so authentic and she is very straightforward, and her personality is so good that you will definitely feel that you are connected to her channel and connected to her. Since I love to read books in my leisure time, I sometimes get confused that which of the books I should be starting off with, and that's when these channels come in, and these channels help me to identify which of the books I would want to read next. I thought that this video will be helpful to many of you because many of you message me and many of you comment that you are also a book lover like me, and so I thought that why not share something unique with you. And maybe many of you already know that there exists a separate section in YouTube which is unofficial but which is dedicated to the book lovers like me. And so booktube is a new and a different kind of a concept in YouTube, and that's why I'm making a video on this. So these are a few of my favorite booktubers. I'm yet to discover many more, but these 5 are my personal favorites and I follow them personally. So hope you like my videos, and if you do so, then please like, share and comment on my video, and stay tuned till my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed and stay positive. Bye.